Formalization of structure, Hoy and Sweetland, stated that bureaucracy organization have two primary characteristics and formulations and the centralization. It is combined the ideas of Goldner of 1954 and Adler and Borist of 1996 about enabling the hindering structures to emphasize how two fundamental features, which is the formalization and centralization. So on formalization, along with the centralization hierarchy of authority, each is fundamental aspects of bureaucratic organization. Formalization refers to the extent to which formal rules, procedures, and policies are used to regulate behaviors and govern decisions. They asserted that schools are bureaucratic, formalized organizations that have their own chain of command. On formalization, it is refers to the a management of an organization through written rules, regulations, and procedures. That was according to Hoy and Miskill of 2004 and 2010. On centralization, it relates to the hierarchy of authority and the degree to which employees participate in decision making. So they divided the formalization into two aspects, which is the coercive and enabling. So in coercive formalization, it involves rigid rules that punish non-compliance and tends to foster alienations. While on the enabling formalization, it provides flexible guidelines that foster problem solving and employees to innovative and creative. Formalization and centralization can be used to describe schools and structure. There are two types of centralization in bureaucratic organizations. First is hindering and enabling. So hindering centralization means that there is a high degree of centralization and decisions are made by those at the top of the hierarchy. While enabling centralization, it describes an organization where decision making is diffused throughout the organization. Moving on, we now have Mentzberg's coordinating mechanism of structure. There are three, which is the coordination of mechanism, mutual adjustment, and direct supervision. First, we are going to discuss the coordination of mechanism. It is a subsystem of a social system that coordinates the activities of the persons or organization within it. Wherever a relation subsists between two or more persons or organization, their activities require coordination in form. The purpose is to make all actions in the organization achieve the common goals. Now we have mutual adjustment, which is based on the simple process of the informal communication used in very small companies such as a 5-person software shop or for very complicated tasks such as putting the first person into the moon. Same mechanism used by the furniture movers to maneuver, especially useful when nobody really knows ahead. Lastly, the direct supervision, which is coordination achieved by having one person to take responsibility for the work of others, issuing instructions and monitoring their actions. An example is the offensive unit of a football team. Here is marked division of labor and specialization, and efforts of the players are coordinating.